Do you like Malarkey name?
No, I do not.
What do you don't like about it?
Malarkey just kind of sounds like kind of a joke.
Malarkey.
You like Malarkey?
It sounds like baloney, like a bunch of baloney, malarkey.
Hey, welcome back everyone to Roofing Insights. It's Marketing Thursday here, and today we're talking about roofing brand names. You can consider this video as a case study for Malarkey building products. I will not be talking per se about quality of the shingles. We all know that Malarkey have amazing products, had for years, never been negative about quality of their shingles. Like all manufacturers, they had some issues over the years, but I believe that Malarkey's biggest problem is their name. You're gonna see a lot of people reacting to Malarkey name. Thank you guys so much for coming. Hope it'll help you with your business decision in your marketing department. As a business owner, one of the biggest decisions you have to make early on is what brand of shingles to start selling, offering to your customers. Why? Because your business name is not household name. At this point, if you're just in the beginning, you're just a commodity. People don't know about you, and you have to pick up bigger name, bigger product line that people are very, very familiar with. That's why a lot of roofers, they go with the biggest brands, Owens Corning, CertainTeed, GF. And on the example of Malarkey shingles, I want to explain what happens when you have bad business name yourself or bad business name with the product you carry. So take a listen, look at some reactions. What we did is we literally went in my neighbors in my building and I asked them, what do they think about Malarkey versus some other competitors? So we have three samples right here. We have OC Duration, we have Malarkey Building Products, and we have CertainTeed Northgate. So three samples, similar colors. Shingles kind of look the same, but all we're doing literally is just asking people for branding name. Based on the name only, based just at the top, which one would you pick? Pam doesn't know what we're doing yet. Hey Pam.
Yes.
I want to ask you a question real quick.
Sure.
So Pam is our receptionist. What we're doing here, we're asking people for opinion on the names, not on the products per se, just on the names. If you would be walking by the samples, or you've seen them maybe in a store on a shelf, which names is more appealing to you?
I guess because I recognize Owens Corning, I would just click on that name.
Okay. What do you think about Malarkey or CertainTeed? Do you like Malarkey name?
No, I do not.
What do you don't like about it?
Malarkey just kind of sounds like kind of a joke. But just based on looking at the product, if I looked at the coloring, I like the coloring, but based on the name.
Okay, fair enough. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, let's go to our neighbors. So this is our neighbor. We're gonna ask them to do it. Pretty much, we have three very similar shingles, three different brands. One of them is OC Duration, another one Owens Corning Duration, another one is Malarkey Roofing Products, and last one is CertainTeed Northgate. They all look similar, but if you would see it in a store or maybe online, which name is the most appealing to you?
Just Owens Corning.
Okay.
Malarkey.
You like Malarkey? Why are you laughing?
That's Irish.
Yeah, it's an Irish.
Are you Irish?
No, I'm Italian. No, I just like the name Malarkey.
You like the name, so you would click on Malarkey?
Um,
Just based on the name.
just based on the name, really truthfully, Owens Corning.
So we're waiting for another neighbor to come out to do the same test, but one of the reasons I'm doing this test is to explain to you that perception in marketing is everything. For example, Mercedes-Benz is a luxury brand. Everybody wants to drive Mercedes-Benz. Hyundai, Volkswagen, not luxury brands. People don't have perception of luxury brands and people don't believe in them. That's why both Hyundai and Volkswagen failed with their luxury cars. So Equus came out on the market a couple of years ago. It was supposed to be better than BMW 7 Series, Mercedes S Series, and they just failed because people would not go and buy. If you have $80,000, $100,000, $120,000 in your pocket and you want a nice car, even if the car is the same, but perception is not there. That's how products fail in the market all the time. Between three products, which one, just based on the name, think about you're browsing the internet and you're about to click. Which one would you click first?
Probably Certainteed.
Which one is the least favorite or like almost like pushes you out?
Malarkey.
Why is that?
How would I say it? It sounds like baloney, like a bunch of baloney, Malarkey. I really don't like it. Yeah, based on name alone, I really don't like that name.
They say with a name like that, you have to be really good.
One thing about that name is people would remember it.
Sure, sure. That's a good point. But I agree with you. It's memorable. If you would be browsing on internet and you see three icons, which one you would click first?
Duration flex.
Duration flex. Which one would be your least favorite? Like which one you would be definitely not clicking?
Malarkey.
Okay. What's wrong with Malarkey?
Just the name is not appealing.
So which one do you think is a better quality, I guess? Like why would you click at OC and would not click at Malarkey?
I don't know, it just sounds like a name that lasts longer.
This is one of the best feedbacks I have. So you would assume, based on the name, that this is a better quality shingle than Malarkey?
I would hope so. I mean, sometimes name says it all.
As you can see, it's all about perception. I say it all the time. You can be the best of the best, but you have to be different. And Malarkey has one thing going good for them. It's recognizable, it's memorable, people will remember it, but for me personally, it's just not enough. So this message, this video is not to bash Malarkey as a product. Malarkey has amazing product. I still, to this day, recommend Malarkey to change their name. It's never too late to rebrand. As a matter of fact, I rebranded my companies several times. So Malarkey, hope you didn't get offended with this video. I wish you best of luck. You have one of the best products out there. For me as a business owner in my business, I had to make a decision 3-4 years ago not to go with you. Pretty much, I would say 60% of my decision was your name. If you install a Malarkey, I want to hear what you guys hear, maybe another parts of country. If you primarily install Malarkey products, I want to hear what people say about Malarkey when you pitch it. Why do you install Malarkey products? Do you agree with any of the points I made in this video? Let me know in comments below. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching another Marketing Thursday video. If you like our content, we are inviting you to our roofing marketing class. Next one is September 12th, 13th in Minneapolis. We do it once a month, or trying to do it at least. You're invited to learn more about marketing and building your business. See you guys in the next video.